This week, CNN presents on Special Assignment 97. Welcome to CNN Presents. I'm Judy Woodruff. Most of us take freedom of information for granted. If you don't like what you see here on CNN, you can change the channel. Imagine, though, if some faceless big brother determined what news you could watch. That fight for free expression was at the heart of protests in Serbia. Protests sparked last November when the Serbian government annulled local elections that favored the opposition. When independent media were silenced, a powerful new weapon emerged, the Internet. David Lewis went to Belgrade and brought back this tale of the battle between tyranny and truth, a clash that spilled over into cyberspace.